Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about a keycap set I recently bought that is a pudding keycap set from HK Gaming. Now I was looking for a really cheap, affordable double shot pudding keycap set, but I didn't want to get any black top like normal HyperX ones look. I wanted to be a little bit different, so I went for a teal pudding keycap set. Now as of right now, I cannot find the teal keycap set on Amazon where I bought it. So what I mean by pudding keycaps is the top part is this color of your choice, which is teal, orange, etc. And the bottom part is an acrylic housing so it can show the RGB more. And at first I didn't know if I was going to like the pudding keycaps because of the RGB, but when I put them on my keyboard, wow, did they look nice. I put it on my Ducky 1-2 full-size keyboard, which is known for having really good RGB, so I was not disappointed when I put these on. Now, compared to the stock keycaps that I had already from Ducky that I've used for over 2 years now, these felt a lot nicer, obviously because they're new, but they also sounded a lot better, and I'll show a quick comparison right here side by side to show you guys how different they sound. Now, as you can tell, it's obviously preference to see whichever you like best when it comes to the sound profile. But for me, I really did prefer the sound profile of the new keycap set. I don't know, it just sounded a lot crispier. That could be because just that they're new, but overall, they also felt very nice. They look very nice as well. The legends are very clean. The only thing I didn't really like on the legends is that the O, for some reason, has a line in it, and the same thing goes for the zeros. And that's I don't know if that's because of the font they use for the legends, but that kind of annoyed me a little bit because it's just like a small tiny line on the O key. Another thing I didn't really like about this keycap set was the fact that it came in a box and the outside of the box showed black pudding keycaps, which had me worried that they weren't the ones I ordered, but when I opened them up, they happened to be the color that I ordered. Other than that, they also came in this bag, which I was kind of disappointed in, maybe because of the pricing, they couldn't do that, but it honestly took me a lot longer than I expected to put them on my keyboards because they were all scrambled up, which kind of got on my nerves a little bit. But other than that, everything about this keycap set I really enjoy. It feels very nice. It looks very nice as well, especially with all the Ducky 1-2 lighting effects that come with the keyboard, and with the software you can just change it. So overall, this keycap set is very nice, and I'll show a little typing test that I did so you can get a better understanding of how they sound. But yeah, overall, these keycaps kind of made my keyboard sound a lot newer than they were before. It just sounds a lot crispier and cleaner, and it even made my stabilizers sound better, even though they're probably not the best because it's a pre-built mechanical keyboard. But overall, I'm very happy with this purchase, and HK Gaming makes really good, affordable keycaps. And if you are interested in checking these out, I'll leave them in the description below for you to go buy. But like I said before, the teal ones that I have are not in stock at the moment, and I have no idea when they will be back in stock. But you have other options to choose from that are equally as good. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about putting keycaps in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.